We
Huh.
welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit.
Hi,
Your
hand
name will
unit.
read above the keypad. This
Yeah, my
cannot
name
be changed
is
later, so please be careful.
Mike. Mike.
It
What?
seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you.
What?
One moment.
Thank
Well
you.
done. Eggs Benedict.
What? That's not my name. That's not my name. Elevator music. Stop that.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work. Allow me to fill the somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive
Okay.
success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day, and it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza.
Okay.
Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left. Uh-oh. It looks like Ballora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step. Check the light again.
There she is. Cool.
Laura is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Try the light. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to.
She's up to not she.
Looks like
Sorry.
Funtime Foxy
They're
is
up to
taking the day
nothing.
off.
What? Up here. There they are.
Circus Gallery Control Module.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
No, please no.
The other side of the glass
Oh
is
my.
Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's check the light and see what Baby is up to. Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock. Try another controlled shock.
Another.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night on the job.
I didn't see her.